Hi there. Thought I'd put this video together. The Thor kitchen French door counter depth refrigerator. There's not a lot of videos of this online. Hopefully it'll help anybody deciding whether to make this purchase. This is the only drawer that we're not impressed with. There's no rollers holding that drawer in place. It just slides in there loosely. These are plastic drawers, but they feel solid. One nice thing we liked about this one is that there's no ice maker in the doors to take up space. You can close these doors in either direction. Good lighting on the inside. We have two freezer drawers. Ice maker. You can actually remove this ice maker if you aren't going to use it for extra storage space. These trays, you can position them at multiple points depending on what your needs are. Drawer quality feels solid, handles are solid. Sound level is about average for refrigerator. Freezer temp. You can also select auto mode, so it'll default the temperature settings there, child lock, and turn the ice maker on or off. Energy saving will turn the refrigerator off but leave the freezer on. And then you can also set a super cool mode on both the refrigerator and freezer. So if you left the door open for a long time, it'll turn the compressor on to a higher setting to cool it down faster.